Unlocking memories. The power of a flood of memories. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the beautiful and evocative phrase, a flood of memories. This expression is rich with emotion and imagery, and it's a fantastic example of how English can capture complex feelings in just a few words. Whether you're learning English as a new language or you're just a fan of exploring its depths, understanding phrases like this can enrich your communication skills and emotional expression. So, let's get started. At its core, a flood of memories refers to a sudden and overwhelming rush of memories that come back to someone all at once. Imagine a dam breaking and a torrent of water rushing out uncontrollably. That's the kind of powerful, unstoppable force we're talking about, but with memories instead of water. This phrase is often used to describe moments when something triggers a cascade of memories from the past, bringing them back to the surface with vivid clarity and emotional strength. You might wonder, when exactly can you use a flood of memories? It's typically used in situations where memories are triggered unexpectedly, often by a specific event, place, object, or even a scent. Here are a few examples. Visiting your old school and suddenly remembering your childhood friends and the adventures you had. Hearing a song from your past that takes you back to a specific moment or feeling. Smelling a perfume or a food that reminds you of someone special or a particular time in your life. In these moments, the memories can feel so strong and vivid, as if you're reliving them all over again. That's the emotional power behind this phrase. But a flood of memories is more than just remembering. It's about the emotional journey. This phrase often conveys not just the act of remembering, but also the feelings associated with those memories. It could be nostalgia, happiness, sadness, or a complex mix of emotions. The flood part of this phrase emphasizes the overwhelming nature of this experience, where the emotions and memories are so powerful and abundant that they're hard to contain. Now that you understand what a flood of memories means and when to use it, let's look at how to incorporate it into your conversations or writing. Here are a few examples. Walking into my grandmother's house after so many years brought on a flood of memories from my childhood. Seeing the old photograph unleashed a flood of memories, making me feel like I was back in those moments. The familiar melody washed over her, bringing with it a flood of memories and emotions. Notice how each example places the phrase within a context that triggers the memories, helping to convey not just the act of remembering but also the emotional impact of those memories. Understanding and using phrases like a flood of memories can greatly enhance your English language skills, allowing you to express complex emotions and experiences in a nuanced and powerful way. We hope this video has helped illuminate the beauty and depth of this phrase for you. Whether you're sharing your own experiences or writing a story, remembering how to describe these moments can connect us all on a deeply human level. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll carry these insights with you in your journey of language learning and beyond. See you in the next video.